My warmest greetings to everyone. I'm hoping that everyone is doing fine and doing their best to stay healthy. Before I forget, I am Mae Zaida Brecasio, a student of Dessa A. Now I will be discussing the parts of our consolidated ideas to create new mobile application. Since mobile application is our subject. So, well, if you doesn't play Purble plays game in your entire life, this is Purble plays game looks like. You should try playing it, since many children love to play this one. So, introduction. Purple Plays game is a game which is commonly played by personal computer users, thus, it was being part of many children's life. Well, honestly, children usually love to play games in the computers. It's either a personal computer or in the internet cafe computers. They usually play this. So as Purple Plays became part of some players' life, well, some players, not all players' life. So it is more convenient for us to create a more Purble Plays mobile application. So Purble Plays was only being created to be used for personal computers or computers. There is no application created that is for mobile cell phones. Used for the mobile cell phones.
For the gaps of the existing system, since this game has three different kinds of game on it, and so we invented three different kinds of names, which is based on what kind of game it is. So the first game is the matchmaker, and this game doesn't have a pause button, and this game doesn't display all the picture first before you're going to look for the same picture and eliminate them both. And the design of this game is all the same in every level, since there are three different kinds of level: the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced level.
So this is the matchmaker part of the game. So let me click. So the pictures was not being displayed first. It was directly put that like you have no clue which one is part of it. So let me try to play it. Okay. Oh, it doesn't match. Okay. See? And if so, what I am trying to say with that cannot post, if you will go to the toilet, you will have you cannot post it. So does it changes the sign? The design will always be like this. It has no more designs.
Moving on to the second game, the Guess My feature. Um, this game doesn't require time, and it doesn't have a time limit, so you can guess for too long. And yeah, and this game doesn't give you a hint if ever you got the right eye, the right nose, or the right lips. So
In this part is the gas may features. Okay, let's play. So this is the one I will be guessing. Look. Mm, 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 It gives hint in here, but it doesn't give hints in here. In this part. So that's hint. So if you will be playing. You will be a little bit which one is right, which one is wrong. Although it gives suggestion that you have two right color and two right feature, but it still needs lot of improvements.
The last game is the Cake Maker, and this game has a time, but it is optional. And this game doesn't have a pause button, just like Matchmaker and Guess My Feature. And this game doesn't require coins whenever you got the right order. And this game doesn't deduct your coins whenever you made the wrong order. So
This is the cake maker. Yeah, this was. See? Okay. It's a square. Oh, square. Next, it's next. Oh, as you can see, this is the time. When the order is correct, correct order, it will be received. So if order if the order will be incorrect, let's try to make it incorrect, guys. As you can see, I'm trying to make it incorrect, but I'm a little bit a pro of this. Oh yeah, it's being drunk, but there's no deduction of coin since it has no coin involved. So the objective, the main goal of this application is to let all the players of Purble plays be more comfortable in playing since it is played only on personal computers. To be more friendly user application and accessible. To let other player explore new game in their mobiles. So since we have said it earlier, Purple Plays was only created for computers only. So we want to make an application that is also be accessible for mobile phones. That would be all. Thank you.
Let me show you the old version of Purble Place. So here's our wireframe. As you can see in the home page, there are three buttons. The left button shows the matchmaker parts. This matchmaker parts is a pattern recognition and memory game. The object is to clear the tableau in the fewest turns. As the skill level progresses, the game becomes timed. The grid size increases and more similar pictures are used. The beginner level has one 5x5 grid, intermediate has two 6x6 grids, and advanced has four 8x8 grids to solve per game. In addition to a gesture that automatically finds another match of an exposed card, numerous special pairs are present in the higher levels.
Cake maker section where you will make the order in a bakery by assembling a cake to match a given cake specification in the screen by controlling a conveyor belt that bring the cake to the various station. Elements of the cake include different cake pan shapes, flavors, and batter. Different cake layering, optional icing, and other decorations such as sugar may be sprinkled on the top of the cake. And in rarer cases, flames and application of ice cake is create a smooth glaze. If the cake does not match the specification of the screen, the player is penalized and the cake gets thrown in the trash and the player's coin will be deducted. After a certain number of correct orders are put in the box, the player will gain coins. The final coins depends upon the number of cakes baked. The number of incorrect orders sent to the efficiency of the player in baking.
The last button in the right part of the screen is the Guess My Features. It is a code breaker game. The computer decides the color of the 5 features such as topper, eyes, nose, mouth, and clothes that are concealed from the player. You can choose from an assorted of colors, and a color can be used once, several times, or not used. The player then attempts to deduce or guess the right features colors in a limited number of guesses. There are 3 difficulty levels: beginner with the 3 features in 3 possible colors, different possible solutions, intermediate with 44 equals 256 solutions, and advanced with 55 equals 3,125 solutions. The beginner and intermediate level are guessing games where after each move the computer tells the player which items were right. So there is a little scope of deduction. In the hint button, once the player wants a hint, the coin will be deducted.
All the games have options in the upper part.
So thank you for watching and God bless.